Find the area of the shaded region and simplified. Now, it might be hard for you to see on this screen, but you have two rectangles here. The inside one is not shaded. All the outside stuff is. But it's shaded in like a light blue, so it might be hard to tell. So, let's say I wanted the area of the side of a house, and I had a window. And I knew that the area of the whole side of the house, it was like a 20 by 10 wall. So 20 times 10 would be 200. That would be the whole thing. But the window, let's say, is 6 feet across and 4 feet tall, which is 24 square feet. Now, I'm not including the window when I say, like, if I'm painting the house, I'm not gonna paint over the window. So what would you do with those two areas if you don't want the window included? You would subtract it. So you would just do 200 minus 24, which would be 176 square feet. So with these shaded region problems, you find the area of the big guy, you find the area of the small guy, and then you subtract them at the end. So I'm gonna erase all this stuff. So the big fella, we've got a rectangle, it's 2x plus 5 times 3x plus 1. 2x plus 5 times 3x plus 1. The little fella, we've got x plus 2 times x. That'll be pretty easy to multiply. After we get these two things, we are going to subtract them. So first, 2x times 3x, 6x squared. Outside, 2x times 1, that's 2x. Inside, 5 times 3x is 15x. And last, 5 times 1 is 5. If we were to simplify this, we could combine those like terms, so it'd be 6x squared. 2x plus 15x is 17x. And then the plus 5. So, that's the big one. Again, we have to subtract the small one in a moment. The small one, x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x. So that's the area of the little rectangle. X squared plus 2x. Remember the mighty trick of Signor Plant. Anything after the minus sign in the parentheses, we're going to make the opposite. So this stuff all stays. 6x squared plus 17x plus 5. But we're going to make this minus x squared and minus 2x. We can simplify it that way. Or, if you would like, you can also stack them. 6x squared plus 17x plus 5. And then we've got to subtract x squared plus 2x. So I'll show you both ways. Now over here, let's see, 6x squared minus x squared, or minus 1x squared. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5x squared. We have 17x, positive 17x, minus 2x. That's 15x. And then we've just got the plus 5. It's in standard form. It's all simplified. Now, if you are going to stack them, you have to remember a trick. So you have to remember you're doing 6x squared minus x squared, or, like I said, you can still change this to plus and make everything inside the opposite, which is what I'd recommend. So 6x squared, make those negative, minus 1x squared gets you 5x squared. 17x plus negative 2x is 15x. And then in this column, we just have the plus 5. Same answer either way. Do the way that you feel comfortable with, man. Come on now. Do the way you like it. Just get that right answer, okay?